I like a lot of money. However, the only way I can get a lot of money is understood the universal law, which is it's only when you give, when you receive. So therefore, I do it because I keep on giving, I keep on giving, I keep on giving. Like, yeah, we've been friends and business partner for the longest time. Did you ever hear me naningil, na ganito, na ganyan? Or all you see in me is just giving, 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 giving?
All I see is giving eh. In the fact nga, coach, na ang intention lang namin is to mag-uwian lang kami but you invited us, no? Stay muna kayo. Stay ka. Parang, oh.
Yeah, because you want to treat people how you wanna be treated. So which means kung mamadaliin ko kayo, okay, yan din ang treatment ko sa sarili ko. Right? So ayaw kong tratuhin kayo sa mga trato na ayaw ko. So which means, yeah, feed you, make you sleep, make you feel rest, serve you as if you're paying me a lot. That's why if you don't bless me back, hindi sasaman loob ko. Kasi fair. Hindi niya man ako ma-bless kung kanina ako nagbigay kasi nakikita niya eh. So yun yung prinsipyo ko. If I do something, whether I'm paid or not, may engagement na tayo. Ang dami ko nang binigay sa business natin, di ba? Hindi ko tinanong anong meron ako dyan, may meron ako dyan, kikita ba ako dyan. Hindi, bigay ng todo eh. Now, aabot ng 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, walang nangyari sa negosyo natin. Doesn't matter. Hindi siya nasayang. Parang hangin, nasasayangan ka ba? Okay, hingayin natin, bakit nasayang? Huwag mo ihinga. Hindi eh. It's just everywhere. But again, it's a state of mind of abundance. There's always plenty, that the supply is like an air. Walang katapusan. Pag ganun yung frame of mind mo, wala ka rin katapusan sa energy mo, wala ka rin pa sa pibigay. Then, yung lapag ng kikitain, nandun din, ang lakas. No? So, the intensity I have right now is really towards my growth, towards my experience. But above all, why do I not go experience? Because I wanna give it away. Because when I give it away, it will go back to me.